Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic Selenium drivers. Selenium cannot control a browser directly. It needs a browser driver, a small executable that acts like a bridge between Selenium WebDriver and the real browser. For Chrome, we use ChromeDriver. For Microsoft Edge, we use EdgeDriver. For Firefox, we use GeckoDriver. Selenium sends commands like click, type, and navigation through WebDriver. The browser driver receives those commands and performs them in this browser session. In real automation projects, the driver and browser versions must be compatible. If versions mismatch, test fails before even launching the browser. That's why we manage drivers carefully, either by keeping the correct driver version or by using a driver manager tool. Now, I will show you a simple driver example. Here, Chrome driver launches Chrome, opens Cogmento, prints the page title, and then confirms driver successfully launched and Selenium is connected. Drivers are the bridge that make Selenium automation possible. Let me run this example and we will see the output, how it is been performed in the backend. So if we check in the code, first we are going to the URL, driver launch is successful. If we see the message, driver launched browser successfully, title of that particular page is free CRM, URL is this one. And if we press enter, the application is stopped running. Next, we continue with the next WebDriver core topic from our syllabus. Thank you.